Hi you guys, it's Katie from Babies in Bloom. I am going live today to talk a little bit about the importance of getting your car seat inspected. Most of you know, or a lot of you guys have come in to see me already. I'm the child passenger safety technician on staff here, and I do car seat inspections. And one of the most common questions that I get from people who haven't heard of a CPST and don't know what it is that I do, they say, oh, why should I get my car seat checked? And honestly, the biggest reason why you should get your car seat checked if you've never had it checked is in the San Diego area, upwards above 90% of car seats are misused or improperly installed. And a big portion of those, and I don't have an accurate statistic, but the majority of those parents don't realize that their car seat is installed improperly. Some of the biggest misused things that I see daily I see a lot of car seats come in installed with both the seat belt and the lower anchor strap, and you have to use one or the other for 99% of the car seats on the market. And if you read your manual, it'll tell you in your manual about that, but most parents don't know that, and so a lot of parents will put their car seat in with one, and they realize that the car seat's too loose, so they try and add the other to tighten it down. And that's not allowed by the manufacturer. So more than 90%, used to be 97% of car seats in San Diego are misused. Nationally, the statistic is between 70 and 90%. So we're really high. We are very, very high in the San Diego area for car seat misuse. And so it's super important to come in and check and make sure your car seat is properly installed. Some of the other really common things that I see are additions of non-regulated products. Infant body inserts or strap covers or pads underneath the car seats. Most of those things are not regulated. If they didn't come from your car seat manufacturer, they're not crash tested with your car seats. So that means that you can't safely use it with your car seat. So those are things that, again, most parents just don't know until you come to someone who is trained to tell you, what is correct and what is not. So that's why it's really important to bring your car seat in and have it checked. I'm here 3 days a week. I'm here Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I will do drop-in appointments, or you can call and schedule ahead of time with me. I will also come in on days that I'm not scheduled to be here. If you have scheduling restrictions where you can't make it in Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm happy to try and come in on a Saturday, or on a Tuesday or Thursday when we're open. As long as it works for both of our schedules, I really try and accommodate, because I just feel that it's very important to have your car seat checked. So that's why I do what I do.